Hey, welcome back to one more video. I mean, you know what? Nah, let's just watch the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shayantan. I'm a travel blogger and I welcome you to my channel, which is SayItBenrjee. So this channel is all about solo traveling, budget traveling and reviews. So if you are new to this channel, please do consider subscribing. If you are old, welcome to this new video. If you have subscribed to my channel, please share my playlist with your friends and families. And please follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. So about this video. Today in this video, I want to share about my feeling, what I'm feeling right now, and I hope all of you or most of you are feeling the same way because we all are in a lockdown period and we all are in this together. So today I want to cheer you up with some places where I have visited so far, and I want to show you those videos and I hope those videos will cheer you up. So let me just take you to my life's flashback when I was able to travel without any foundation, without any boundaries, just freely traveling. Let me just take you to the flashback. I mean, why am I doing this talking? Let me just quickly take you to the flashback and I'll come back and tell you the rest of the story. So I hope you like this places so far where I visited. For more travel videos, please do go back to my channel and you can watch more travel videos which I upload on every Sunday mostly. After the lockdown gets over, I can upload one more video of traveling where I will be visiting next. Till then, guys, if you want me to visit somewhere new, please do comment that in the comment box. If you want me to do something with my video, please do put that in the comment box as well. I'll read your comments, I'll reply to your comments as well. Apart from this, if you like this video, please do hit the like button. Till the next video, guys, adios.